Let's make our first set of questions with Studiorum. Studiorum walks you through 3 steps: set topic, choose type, and fine-tune. Step 1 is set context. So let's first select our subject area. We're going to select History and Social Studies. Then we select our course. Studiorum has dozens of different courses built into the system. We're going to choose AP US History. Then you choose the question level and the output language if you teach in another language. And then finally you set the topic itself. You can set any topic. You can also use the periods and units from the AP course and exam description. We're just going to choose a simple topic, the New Deal. Then finally, click Next. Then in step 2, we choose the question type. There are so many different kinds of questions that you can create through Studiorum. We're going to choose some multiple choice, but we're going to make this AP style. What that means is that it'll come with a stimulus, a passage that the students need to read and analyze. In the fine-tuning section, we can choose a few elements to fine-tune. We can set a document length, and we can also include a simplified version of the document that will simplify it for students that need some reading help. We can also set the number of questions, and we can set the stimulus type. The text document is default, but we can also grab historical images or even political cartoons. Then we generate the content. It takes a few seconds to generate the content, but while it's generating, the site will give you some trivia. Did you know that President Franklin D. Roosevelt's New Deal created so many new government agencies? Most questions take about 20 seconds to generate. And you can see we have a primary source, the first inaugural address of Franklin Delano Roosevelt. And then we have multiple choice questions that ask questions about that address. These are stimulus-based questions that are similar to what your students will see on the AP US History exam, all created by Studiorum.